It's now Wednesday and we have to be in Belgrade on Saturday because we have car service there. They are changing the brake pads.
Potential creepy spot here, but this was dead silent and peaceful.
That bird has been on our car for I think 5 minutes now. He goes to the bush and then he comes back usually in a couple of minutes to sit on our mirror. Yes, new country
New
day.
country day! I crack it open immediately.
Yes, I think we have something around 70 kilometers to that dam that you can cross the Danube to Serbia. So yeah, we're gonna, I think, spend next night in Serbia if we don't find some gem on this Romanian side. And on the Serbian side there's a beach, so we're gonna go swimming there. We won't go swimming here because I don't know. Belgrade is 1.6 million people and all the grey water, black water and all the drainage goes without cleaning to the river, so
basically it's like India gains holy river there.
Yeah, well, we have used it because in Finland the sea in front of Helsinki is most Itämeri is most dirtiest sea in the whole Europe. There's lots of polys on this Danube Gorge. Like, I think we saw yesterday 10 polys cars, including the border police and NAF and everything. There's no one. There's just cars, maybe one in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. A really quiet place. I don't know even in summertime if it's more rowdy, but now dead silence. And that other side is Serbia, and look at that road, it's really awesome. It has been really awesome for the whole way that we have come here. It goes on that mountain side and there's lots of tunnels and lots of high bridges and everything. Let's go see that shit. Some kind of king on that rock card, I don't know why. But it's really awesome. Yeah, weather continues still great, and actually we were going to this city and saw this on the way. Building again our pizzas. Yeah, we got lots of things to put on a pizza, so we can make a pizza. Joni's super salami and Sarah's tuna. Super tuna.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum 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 yum. He's having a blast.
If some kid would do that in Finland, everybody would be shocked because he's not wearing a helmet, he's underage.
And he's driving on a public property and everything else.
And he's, yeah.
Yes, now we learned some Serbia. First time before we enter the country. Forbidden is no.
We cannot go there.
We cannot.
I'm too embarrassed.
Yeah.
We are in the new country. And we have this lovely huts here, picnic tables.
Yeah, it's kind of really good to Serbia. Like, you can get these huts.
Yeah.
Now we just have to find some boondocking place where to spend the night.
Yeah. Now, peace in a new country.
New country, and we crossed the border, and there was a little bit hassle in the border because that border crossing, it's not for animals
At all.
at all. So basically on the Serbia side, which they should tell us like you cannot come, go to the northern part of the
Yeah.
Danube, and across there there's a vet that is inspecting your dog.
Yeah.
And then in Serbia side there was like a passports.
No, they look at really truly not to have a Kosovo stamp there.
Yeah, Kosovo stamp.
Yeah.
So
Politics.
So be really careful if you come to Serbia if you have a Kosovo stamps in your passports. Or tell in Kosovo that they don't stamp the passport.
Or put the stamp in the different kind of paper, like in if you go to Israel.
And the history and politics, so we cannot do anything about
Yeah.
it. But
It is what it is, but we are in a new country.
yes, other side of the Danube.
And
Wonderful Danube.
this guy is having a similar shirt that Joni. They look just like brothers.
There's two guys up there, and they are throwing the rocks down from there, and this one guy is getting them out from the road. So they are cleaning up before it hits somebody.
Yeah.
Good morning. Yesterday we were just in time to see the sunset in here, and it was really nice to see the Danube go totally fire. Really beautiful place of sunset time. Yes. Flexible as hell. No yoga shit in our channel. We have been here glazing this beautiful gorge for several hours and watching as those lizards run everywhere. Really nice lazy morning. We have little plans to go up there on that viewpoint, but let's see if we are too lazy today to go anywhere.
Super Mario outfits are back. No, he went in the car. Oh. Super Mario. But yeah, I'm trying to find a good Europe map. Because the one we use is kind of pixel-slashy and everything, so...
Yeah. For the intro.
I think this is the best because this is
Vector and
Yeah.
we can change the color if we want.
white face. But they're all slow ones.
Have you tried the Milanov Grada?
Yeah, it doesn't connect.
Yes, just got from the ATM and got the local currency. These are much more, I don't know, more boring than in Romania. Romania they were like festive.
Yeah, these are
This like there's always like old guy staring at you.
Yeah.
Milutin Milakovic. Yeah. That dude. Dorbe Vajet. Really old guys. What the hell? Why do you so?
And no females, what's up with that?
Yeah. But that's good because all the letterings are also in Cyrillic and in Roman letters. So I cannot fuck up the names so badly. Yeah, dinars are here and it's approximately 100 dinars, it's €1. Yeah, Jerba National Park has really cool 4x4s. You can go wherever you want with that. First time in ages putting this fan.
It's so hot we cannot leave.
Dogs alone. And this is my homemade thermostat for the fan.
As you can see, it's like
As you can see, it's really like professional installations. And the fan is blowing. Yes, came for take a little break and drink coffee and see some art. Yeah. Yeah.
Kod nas može camping, Roms.
Yeah.
Australija, Rusija, Bugarska, Rumunija, Grčka, Španija, Švedska, Poljska, Holandija.
Yeah.
all country.
Evo Holandija.
First time of the day. It's outside, it's 24 and inside it's 28. So the fan helps a lot because otherwise here would be hellhole. And of course these blinds helps a lot because they are blocking the sunny.
So silent in here.
Yeah, and astonishing views. I don't know about this Danube, but there's this brown things floating on the surface. It doesn't look really good. Ew. I don't know if that's some kind of bacteria or
Is it just a human waste? And the place that we are going to spend the night is up down there. There's a white spot you can see. There's a museum and restaurant, and I think we can boondock overnight there. Really beautiful countryside road that we took.
So hot.
So hot.
We don't have to take the vitamin D pill today.
No at all. Everywhere is so green and just farms and
Just crickets.
yeah, yelling at us. Wah, wah, wah. What are you doing there? Just chilling, right? Are you just chilling? Yes, do that. Hey, every country has their own things on a graveyard, and this graveyard has like these houses. I think this is like a family grave, and the family can have a feast here with the past ones, which is pretty nice idea. I like it. Chicken with the
Coop. This bird is dead. Look how awesome its wings are. So beautiful. Striped.
Yes, take a little walk from the museum and trying to find good boondocking place. There was actually a gem, but it's muddy, so we cannot go. From the experience.
Snakey.
Oh, there's a snake.
Like a viper.
That will be our boondocking place.
Nice.
Yeah.
We have to be ready.
What?
What's going on? This is so strange because all these strange animal voices.
Yeah, we saw the place on the river, but now we are wondering if we come here because it's just by the river. How's your opinion?
Yeah, if it's steady.
Yes, steady these. Change of plans number 3. There was this one collapsed part of the road that was partly collapsed, and it was so bad that we don't want to come with our heavy fucking van.
Yeah.
So no,
Not risking this time.
yeah, not risking this time. Taking little risks.
Yeah. What's the best part of the hot days?
Yeah,
Ice cold
ice cold mug.
glass. Listen that sound.
Yeah, just going to the shower, and we came from the restaurant to drink one beer.
and I don't know, Balkan with the beer. Like in a restaurant, in a glass bottle, €1 per bottle, half a liter. €1. That's nothing.